Welcome to another episode of Rush Outside Wales, here in the Elan Valley. I didn't film any of the walking. The weather is bad. It's meant to get a bit better, but here I am. Lluest Cwmbach. What a beautiful setting. Nice big bothy. Here with Alan and Martin. Yeah. We've just got the fire going, ready. Cracking. Lovely setting. Lovely setting. We've got a toilet here. Non-flushable. That doesn't matter. Like I am now.
Yeah.
There's the inside. The fire going. Bed set up.
That's a shame I'd have to snuggle up all.
Martin and Alan all ready as well, more or less.
What's that?
We've got a skull hanging from the rafters. That's where I'm sleeping. There's the beveraginos. I've only got 10 bud and a bottle of rum today. Cooking area. Sitting area. Cracking place. Good morning. Didn't do a lot of filming last night, as I just wanted to enjoy the night with Martin and Alan. The weather's been outrageous, absolutely outrageous, coming and going. Excuse me, in fits and starts. There's another bound of rain coming in now. So a big shout out to Alan and Martin for joining me on this little trip. Been lovely. Nice, back in because it's starting to rain again. Weather is bonkers. 1 minute it's lovely, like now, and then the next is hammering down. What a beautiful place.